Well, Buffalo City Comptroller Barbara Miller-Williams was available today for the first time since her office lost a court appeal in the case about the 2025 capital budgets. Two different courts have now ruled that she has to go to the market and issue bonds for that budget year.
The comptroller addressed the media after she held a public meeting focused on Mayor Ryan's $681 million budget. 2 on your side's Nate Benson was there. He has the latest for us tonight. Nate?
Yeah, good evening, Scott and Mary Ellis. Despite this being a public meeting, the public was really nowhere to be found. By my count, only 5 people from the public showed up. The rest of the folks you see in the audience at the Central Library are my friends in the media or the comptroller's staff. It was a surprise given how much attention the budget and the proposed property tax levy increase has received in the last few weeks and months. Do you think you should have given the public more notice so that more people could have turned out?
We did send out a release last week. The staff, they have worked, they went out into the community. They did lit drops. They went into the community centers. We posted on our website. Because we have such a small staff, they did the best that they could.
Moving on to the budget, the comptroller has a few concerns.
So our problem, a major concern, if there has to be one, is there is a need to increase revenue. The money is going out, but the money that's coming in, it's causing a perceived structural imbalance because they're too close together. And we're always clutching our pearls, for lack of a better term, because we're constantly trying to balance the budget.
And regarding that unanimous decision issued by the 4th Department last Friday, compelling the comptroller to go to the bond market and issue bonds related to the 2025 capital budget under the Scanlon administration, to quote Tom Petty, the comptroller won't back down.
The litigation is still going on, so I can't speak to that tonight. I will be able to speak further to that based on the conversation that I had with my attorney, based on the current and upcoming conversations with Mayor Ryan and the council members. But for 2025, that is a matter that's currently in litigation.
And for those who may believe there is no legal avenue for the comptroller,
so it is not over. When you say that, I just ask that you do a little bit of research because we can take it to the highest court and it is up to them to receive it. So it is not over at this point.
So I did some research. She does have one avenue left, but as one lawyer told me, I have a better chance of being named a deputy mayor than this case being heard by the New York State Court of Appeals. A different attorney, Barry Covert, explained how difficult it will be for the comptroller to have another appeal heard.
If she decides to file for and seek leave to appeal, then the Court of Appeals would address whether they're going to grant that to her. It's a very low probability because, number one, the statistics are very low on how many discretionary cases they accept, and this would be a discretionary case. It's exceedingly low on unanimous decisions that they then accept to the Court of Appeals. It has to be a very important decision that they want to overturn affirmatively, that they really kind of want to reach out and look at that decision. So the odds are against her.
Now, according to sources, city taxpayers have already spent $200,000 litigating this bond issue. On your side, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.